Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm a first-time mom this last year and I wanted to make sure that I was getting the perfect products for my baby. He ended up having really sensitive skin, so we wanted to find something that was good for him but also safe. I didn't want anything with petroleum in it or any phthalates or any sulfates or anything like that. So when I found this Hello Bello Everywhere Balm, it was the perfect thing that I was looking for. As you can see, it's really nice and creamy. It goes on so smooth and it's really easy to get out. This really goes a long way. My son is over a year old and we still have this much left. And it's made with natural ingredients, so it's perfect for everyone. It absorbs really nice and quick and your skin feels so soft. This Hello Bello Everywhere Balm is perfect for the whole family. It's fragrance free and hypoallergenic, so it's awesome for anyone who has sensitivities. But even if you don't, it's perfect for you too. But that's just my point of view.